Robotic-assisted surgical technology is revolutionizing the field of orthopedic surgery. Recently, two systems developed by Globus Medical received FDA approval. These robotic systems, renowned for their exceptional precision, efficiency, and flexibility, are redefining surgical standards. By enabling pre-planned implant placements and robot-guided precise resections, surgeons can perform complex procedures with minimal error, significantly reducing complications and enhancing patient recovery speed. Robotic-assisted surgical technology, exemplified by Globus Medical systems, holds transformative potential in the field of orthopedic surgery. These innovative technologies not only provide better treatment outcomes for patients today, but also lay the groundwork for the future development of surgical techniques. However, the success of any advanced technology requires a solid manufacturing foundation. Sunrise Metal is committed to supplying critical components to leading medical device companies worldwide. In the seamless integration of technology and manufacturing, we drive every breakthrough in the healthcare industry.